Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to a cars and coffee meet at Beaulieu Garage in Christchurch. Beaulieu Garage is run by a friend of mine called Justin, and this whole thing is his baby really. And I was sad to hear recently that he's leaving the company, so this will actually be the last event. So we're really hoping for a good turnout, to see some good people and some good cars. Really hoping that it's going to be a really fun morning. So it's in Christchurch, which means driving through the New Forest, which is a really nice run to do on such a beautiful morning. So stick with us for the journey. And we're heading off. I've got my brother James with me today. He's behind us in his Honda Civic EP3. So yeah, we're heading off now, and hopefully we'll have a good run. So we're here, and as you can see, some amazing vehicles already arriving. But first things first, bacon.
Guys.
That's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. I hope you had fun. I hope you learned something new. What did I learn? I learned that car meets are not so much about the cars, they're about the people. They're about relationships, having fun, making friends, and not taking yourself too seriously. Thank you so much to Beaulieu Garage for hosting this event, and to Justin for organising it. Justin, without you, mate, this never would have happened. So I'm very grateful, and I'm sure many others are as well.
Bet your ass on that, boy.
I wish you the best of luck with whatever you go on to do from here, and look forward to catching up with you again soon. Well, that's it, guys. Welcome to all of my new subscribers, and if you haven't subscribed, please do so, so you'll always find out when I've got something new. Okay, take care, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.